Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download extra keyboard on your Android. If you want to have more than one keyboard on your Android, you have a specific keyboard that you like, you can just download another one. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Play Store, search for your Play Store to have a quick access to it. Click on the Play Store, and the second step is for you to go and search for the keyboard. So if you don't have any keyboard, just come to search button and click here and search for keyboard. Okay, see keyboard latest and stylus. Click on it and Play Store is going to bring out many keyboard that you can install. So this is it. Just scroll down and see any keyboard of your choice that you like. And the next step you're going to do is click on the keyboard that you like. So I'm going to click on this keyboard that I like now. Just click on it and it's going to bring you to this interface, and this interface now is for you to install the keyboard that you choose. So click on install. Once you click on install, the next step is for you to wait for it to install finish. Once it has installed finish, it's going to automatically install on your phone, and once it has installed on your phone, you're going to open it and you will see that you have download another keyboard on your phone, and you can have access to it whenever you wanted to type on your phone. So we are going to wait for it to download, and we're going to wait for it to install for you to see what I'm talking about. So let's wait a little. You can see it is 100% already. So I'm going to wait for it to install fully on the phone, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to switch my keyboard back to this one that I just downloaded. So guys, click the like button, share and comment. Okay guys, so let's continue. If you wanted to know how to change from keyboard, you can go and check one of our videos there. It is there, how to switch from keyboard. Search for it, watch the video, and you're going to understand fully how to switch from keyboard. So now let's open the keyboard for us to see what keyboard that we have downloaded. Click on open keyboard, and this is it. So if you want to use this keyboard, click on get started. Now they ask you some questions. Click on confirm, click on I agree, and click on continue, and this is it. Do you want to add the keyboard to your phone? Now click on add, and if you want to switch the keyboard to make it the one that you are going to start using now, you can click on, so I'm going to click on add keyboard, and this is it. I have added the keyboard. These are the keyboard that I have. You can see these are the keyboard that I have now. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.